Take a ride in the 2017 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.